Today I am reviewing the Dreame H12 Pro vacuum mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dreame H12 Pro vacuum mop is a modern cleaning solution designed to simplify one of the most time-consuming household chores, cleaning hard floors. Instead of vacuuming and then mopping separately, this innovative wet-dry vacuum allows you to handle both tasks at the same time. Designed by Dreame Technology, the H12 Pro combines strong suction, smart cleaning technology, and convenient automation features into a single cordless device that can dramatically improve the way you clean your home. One of the most impressive aspects of the Dreame H12 Pro is its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously. With powerful 16 kilopascals of suction, this machine can easily pick up dry debris like crumbs, dust, pet hair, and dirt while also handling wet messes such as spilled drinks, muddy footprints, or kitchen splashes. This dual-function capability means you no longer have to sweep or vacuum first and then mop afterward. Instead, the H12 Pro tackles everything in a single pass, saving valuable time and effort, especially in busy households with kids or pets. Another major advantage of the H12 Pro is its cordless design. Because it runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, you can move freely around your home without worrying about tangled cords or limited reach. The vacuum offers up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is typically enough to clean multiple rooms or an entire floor of hard surfaces. Once the battery runs low, simply place the vacuum back on its charging dock, and it will recharge automatically, reaching a full charge in roughly 3 to 4 hours. The large 900-milliliter water tank is another feature that helps make cleaning more efficient. A larger tank means fewer interruptions to refill water, allowing you to clean larger areas without stopping. This is particularly useful for homes with spacious kitchens, open living areas, or multiple hard floor rooms. What truly sets the Dreame H12 Pro apart from many other wet-dry vacuums is its intelligent self-cleaning system. After you finish cleaning, you can place the vacuum on its dock and activate the automatic self-cleaning cycle. During this process, the roller brush is thoroughly washed to remove dirt, debris, and dirty water. Afterward, the system uses hot air to dry the brush roller, which helps prevent unpleasant odors and the buildup of mildew. This automated cleaning system reduces the need for manual maintenance and keeps the device hygienic for the next cleaning session. The H12 Pro is also equipped with smart sensors that detect how dirty your floors are. This smart dirt detection system automatically adjusts suction power and water flow depending on the level of dirt detected. When the vacuum senses a heavily soiled area, it increases cleaning power to ensure a deeper clean. When the floor is lightly dirty, it reduces power to conserve battery life. This intelligent approach helps optimize both cleaning performance and battery efficiency. Another standout feature is the dual edge-to-edge cleaning design. Traditional floor cleaners often struggle to clean close to walls or in tight corners. However, the H12 Pro uses a full-length roller brush that allows it to reach edges more effectively. This makes it easier to clean along baseboards, cabinets, and walls without leaving behind strips of dirt or dust. The vacuum also includes a bright LED screen that displays helpful information while you clean. This screen shows details such as battery level, cleaning mode, maintenance alerts, and more. In addition to the display, the H12 Pro provides voice prompts that guide you through different functions and maintenance tasks. For example, the vacuum can notify you when the water tank needs to be refilled or when the dirty water tank should be emptied. These smart alerts make the device very user-friendly, even for people who have never used a wet-dry vacuum before. Despite its powerful performance, the Dreame H12 Pro remains relatively quiet during operation. With a noise level of around 68 decibels, it's quieter than many traditional vacuum cleaners. This means you can clean your home without creating excessive noise, which is especially helpful if you have sleeping children, pets, or roommates. The vacuum's filtration system also deserves attention. It uses a HEPA filter that helps capture fine dust particles and allergens, contributing to cleaner indoor air. This is an important feature for households that want to maintain a healthier environment. From a design perspective, the Dreame H12 Pro is sleek, modern, and easy to maneuver. Its balanced weight distribution and smooth wheels make it easy to push around furniture and across different types of hard floors. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, vinyl, laminate, or sealed wood surfaces, the H12 Pro is designed to handle them safely and effectively. Maintenance is also very manageable thanks to the included accessories. The package typically includes a charging dock, cleaning brush, cleaning solution, replacement filter, and an extra brush roller. These accessories help extend the life of the machine and ensure it continues to perform at its best over time. Overall, the Dreame H12 Pro vacuum mop is an excellent cleaning tool for modern homes. Its combination of vacuuming and mopping in one step, powerful suction, intelligent dirt detection, self-cleaning system, and hot air drying technology makes it a highly convenient and efficient device. For homeowners who want a faster, smarter, and more hygienic way to keep hard floors spotless, the Dreame H12 Pro is definitely a strong contender. If you're tired of switching between a vacuum and a mop or dealing with messy buckets and traditional cleaning tools, the Dreame H12 Pro offers a much more advanced solution. With its smart features and powerful performance, it can make everyday floor cleaning significantly easier and more efficient.